Jasper, come. Come on, boy. Sit, sit, sit. Welcome to the video, ladies and gents. So we're off to a car show today, ADAMC Fest. We've got Nick in the R32 GTR. And basically, we're just going to go check out this car show for the day. ADAMC's a car YouTuber, he's put on a car show. So it should be some nice cars. So onwards, it's very, very early. I've been awake since 4:30, I'm super tired. But anyway, yeah, let's go see what this car show's like, see what the cars are like, and hopefully we see some, some nice cars. Right, ladies and gents, so we've arrived at ADAMC Fest. I'm not part of the top 25, but they let me in anyway, which is great, cool, very, very good, happy. Parked in the JDM section, it's me and one other car. I've obviously got the Pulsar GTIR, you know, the hatchback GTR, because all-wheel drive, the Tesla system, etc. What am I parked next to? A Nissan Stagia, which if it's got the RB in it, and obviously the all-wheel drive, then that's an estate GTR. How cool is that? Right, so as you can see, Nick is parked.
Hi, my name's Nate, and I've got a camera.
Like on the track part anyway, for showing it all off.
Podium. No, not podium.
We've got this, the riced out Civic, aptly named. It is pretty cool, to be fair. It's very, very riced out. And obviously everyone's getting ready. They're just cleaning up their cars. I've quickly given mine a once over, but it's not a show car, so I don't really give a crap. But Nick is screwing up his legs. Right, well, me and Nicholas, who's running off. Yeah, Nicholas.
You know, we can both play that game, Nathaniel.
Nicholas. Anyway, we've grabbed coffees because it's early. I've been awake since 4:30. We're just sort of setting up. I'm not sure how this video is actually going to turn out now, to be fair. It's a bit of a mess up, but
I'm here now.
The most beautiful coloured S14.
I wore my t-shirt.
I didn't wear. But anyway, the green S14, love it. So we're just going to have a walk around and show you some of the cars.
There's going to be loads here today, isn't there?
Yeah, like a lot of cars.
Very, very early because I'm on the grid.
Yeah.
But it's only just opening time for people turning up, so there's loads of stuff arriving.
Yeah.
It's really eclectic. It's not Japanese, it's everything.
Yeah, so this is a bit of a vlog, and then we're just going to show you around all the cars, basically.
Straight away.
Oh, right. Yeah. It's Pulsar appreciation.
Now they're looking at your broken front bumper.
Oh, shut up. So anyway, we're in the Japanese part, which obviously you can see. Clue is the Japanese cars. And we just spent some time with the LC500, which might be a very expensive day because I really, really want one now. And Nick's encouraging me to get one as well.
We're both having first world problems today.
Yeah, massive first world problems. So basically, yeah, the LC500, beautiful car, strong might get. We shall see. But yeah, we'll show you around some of these cars now, I think.
Epic colour.
Oh yes. So that is the best S14A colour. I keep saying S14A now, but it is the S14A.
Just say S14.
No, there's two different ones.
Yeah,
so the S14A, they're so nice. So 180SX,
The other shape of the S14.
very beautiful, beautiful. And then,
So that's the other shape, the white one. I keep saying I've said 3 times now.
yeah,
In fact, next to it's
another S14A. Interesting headlights on that one. And then obviously an S15.
same headlights.
I think.
That's the shape difference. So this one's that's the different shape front end. It's the front end that's different on the S14s.
No, I meant
The one's called
I meant
Coupe.
those headlights look different. I've never seen S15 headlights look like that. Or maybe I'm not.
Cool.
That's cool as fuck. Love an S15. S15s are cool. There's so many cool cars here. So many cool. So we're just going to walk around as we normally do.
Nice.
And poke out some cool things. F-Type. We saw. I did say poke out, yeah. We saw an F-Type earlier which had a convertible, which not so good, not so nice.
It was the lime wrap that I didn't like.
And then this yellow one. Jesus Christ.
That's massive.
That is a lifted Jeep. But this body-shaped yellow, you're in the way. The body-shaped yellow Subaru, that is very rare. That body shape to have an estate version of. I'm pretty certain. Anyway, love them though. What?
The other day at
Lemon MRTs are cool. MRTs are super clean. Turbo micro over there.
that Impreza. It's very fun. Look at the wing on it.
2 4-door. 34.
Yeah, that's what I said behind it. I prefer the colour of that.
Yeah, this is a nice colour.
For the people that can't decide what colour that they want on a car,
Two-tone.
that's cool. I love that.
It is cool. I like how sort of matte and pearlescent it is almost. That's super nice.
Weirdly, I prefer the camo.
Say again?
I prefer the camo.
I think it's just cool in general.
Yeah.
So clean, and then just scratches down the back.
Oh, yeah, the scratches.
Oh no, that hurts. It hurts my soul.
Look at the seats
Chasers.
actually in the Lexus, that's nice. Those red seats.
Civic. An RCF. With Sabon.
Stop there.
So we saw this one coming in. This is like the ultimate drift car. Proper drifted up. I know. It is amazing. Like, basically we saw this wing from afar. I was like, what the hell is that? And yeah, it turns out it's a S14, but proper drift spec. I have no idea. A sensor of some type. Don't kick the bloody car, Nick. So yeah, proper drift spec. So cool. I mean, you wouldn't want to daily it. Nismo 70Z.
Bayside.
Yeah, Bayside Blue R34. Beautiful.
That's House of Colour, that. That's not a genuine, obviously not a genuine colour.
What?
It's House of Colour. That's 35.
Yeah. Nice. That, ladies and gents, is a Toyota Aygo. I'm just... What? So I reckon this probably takes, what, like the best Peugeot of the day, Nick?
The best Peugeot when there's
Yeah.
only one.
Well, yeah. Yellow Steelies. I like, is this mesh? Got like a meshed headlight. What is going on here? There's a very interesting look, ladies and gents. Very interesting
Look at the deer. Oh, it's got deer on the seats, deer there. Oh, John Deere, I get it.
Yes.
I get it. Oh, it's meant to look like a tractor.
And the pennies dropped. Oh, yeah, okay. That's cool. So yeah, this car show seems to be an eclectic mix thus far. Although, I will say, not that eclectic with all these Focuses. All exactly the same colour. And they all came in popping and banging, blowing people's faces off. including us. So a bit of British cars here, 2 TVRs, 2 TVR Tuscans. Flip colour, beautiful, really nice. Although one thing which genuinely always surprises me is how teeny tiny the brakes are. But as they were coming in, I mean, spoke about this, they're not exactly renowned for their safety. So, you know, teeny tiny brakes, not really a surprise.
I love the dashboard.
They're just so nice.
The gold, yeah, but it's the gold bits.
Yeah.
Are they all gold?
Yeah, I think so. It's just a unique thing, isn't it? It's a British car. It's just a very unique British car. So this is apparently a Conterra. No idea what that is. Nice. Very nice. This is an Ultimate GTR. Very special car. Super cool.
They're twin turbo as well, I think. They're normally twin turbos.
I like the air scoop.
I like everything about it.
Yeah, they're just...
Look at where the wing mirrors are.
This is novel wing mirrors.
They're not there for, like, they're just for the MOT. That's funny.
Yeah, that's cool. So we've just arrived in this sort of like general area, and we spotted this. What is it?
It'd probably be a V6 out of a Golf, you know, like the VR6.
190 horsepower.
Yep.
Fucking Jesus, what is it?
It's a Matiz, isn't it? Daewoo Matiz.
Is it?
Yeah.
It says made in Korea. Yeah, okay. What?
Those Porsche wheels are hilarious.
This is... It's just insane. I mean, it's nice.
Do the spark plugs.
Wow.
Where?
Come on, this...
No, they're right there. What am I talking about? No, that's 3 of them. Where's the other 3? It's a V6, isn't it? They're going to be back there somewhere.
Yeah, you'd have to take
there they are.
You'd have to take that off.
Yeah, I can see
That's
that.
insane. How cool is that? Quirky. Really quirky.
It's a lot of effort, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of effort.
A lot.
You just look at it and go, oh, someone's just painted it orange. No, mate. Mental engine. These are amazing.
Mm.
You know?
It is a lovely chap.
So I think, ladies and gents, this is probably the weirdest Japanese car here. This is a Cummins powered Supra.
Oh, look, I'm in the background.
Hello. A Cummins powered Supra, ladies and gents. With a massive turbo. Bit rusty.
Well, it's because it's open to the other
It's
bit.
just, yeah. But we saw this pull in, it's outrageous. It's huge.
Wing mirrors are cool.
Yeah, I like the wing mirrors. Light bar.
Look at the size of the. Look how long the gear knob is. I don't know if you'll be able to see.
Probably not, actually. No, you can't.
Ah, such a shame.
That's madness. Super cool. Is that a Supra? Yes, but not as you know it. I like it.
Tow your pickup truck.
Mm.
Look at this coming in.
Oh, wow. What on earth is that?
That's so cool.
Is it?
Yeah, it's no riding.
I don't know if that's cool. Oh, yeah, right, yeah, okay, that's cool. I've never... Look how tiny the wheels are.
That's the style, isn't it?
This is one of the nicest cars here.
Look at the fins on the.
Because we don't condone it. Thank you.
I'm just... Oh, God, they're just so nice.
I love it.
This is the... I know, this is the Japanese Mustang, basically.
Yeah.
They're so nice. Toyota Celica, ladies and gents.
With a flat Eric in the back.
Oh, flat Eric.
Yeah.
These are so nice.
almost got rear-ended by an M2.
That's what you want, isn't it?
Yeah, a car show, just come in, just had the back of my Lamborghini smashed off. Oh, you bugger. That's one way to park, isn't it?
So, ladies and gents, we are back in the car. We're going home. We're done. Yeah, it was a fun show. I don't know how this video is going to come out, but it was good fun. Enjoyed it. It's amazing how few people like have any idea what this car is. Like, someone thought it was a Glanza. Ah, terrible. It's just amazing how few people know what this car actually is. It's just interesting to me. But it was good fun. Nice turnout. Lots of cars. Lots of the same cars, but a good mix. Yeah, it was decent. It was really, really decent. So that's about it. Not much else to go on now. I need to focus on driving. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, hit like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out merch and Patreon down below, Instagram. But yeah, cheers guys. Love you, bye.